kijing pitip nam ta kubor light kam kerkum kene ka advertisement kami minta kasngi ke shitrik agos arjar fly napo ka website mpsc.nic.in. On behalf of Government of Meghalaya, application on online mode only tangka online mode kikon are invited from the citizen of India who are desirous to apply as per the term and condition of this advertisement for recruitment of the post of tourist officer under tourist department. Tekane ka post kadin namta tourist officer ka bahapo ka tourist department tikidon lai teli ki post ki balai. The online application will be received of 17 hours on 1st September. Last date kadai 3 September arjar apply and no application will be entertained after the closing date. Tegi bakwa apply sampai bah kepada kata qualification name of the post tourist officer under tourist department tekat kum ka roster teka number of vacancy ke online you are nil khasijeng tia 1 garu 2 order stnsc nil, so the total post will be 3 khasijeng tia 1 garu 2 post ka skill of pay level 11 of revised pay structure teke condition of eligibility pindai bandep graduate from any recognized university. The preference will be given to a candidate having diploma in tourism. Ikam I preference yaitu gibladap diploma po tourism or tourism related subject. Tilada pindai ki graduate ro pila ban apply tang ba ikam prefer pada gibladap ki diploma naik la pendap ya ka graduate haki tourism subject, as well as those having minimum 2 years in their field of activity in a recognized establishment. Lane gitu gibala dep graduate lane gibala trade on experience hakane ka field kata kabala sya itu kan recognized establishment. Note, a candidate selected have to arrange for his her accommodation in the concerned station as per requirement. Okay, katum nadon kam. Age relaxation. Age will be calculated with reference dengan syong baik kene kande arpoi hadu life hours name plus 5 year relaxation kande 37 arpoi hadu life news name nam taki SCST. Tegi bakwa ban apply sekan mau teka nam takane ka amount of fee nam takane te nam taki general kade life pesan pau te marba UR mdon tekan mdon ba apply. Te for SCST is half the rate tekan de shispa new pesan marway yaitu bakwa ban apply yakane ka post last date de 1st September. Mamo last date is 3 September 2023. Tegi tu ki bakwa ban apply wala da phim day na ka tourism phim pass ka tourism ro phila ban apply tangba ki kham prefer bade ki bala don experience bar ki bala pass na ka tourism field te yakne kindon ro ka exam te shwa ba ka process kanya mar bala tip hi MPSC kan permit shwa ka ineligibility list then kan saya te kan shimpor hi temla ban tip shis name as name mla ban tip te ka method of selection dala tip hi kan don shwa kata ka screening test shall be conducted by the commission for this post. The screen test shall be a multiple choice MR based test. The kinek long syllabus kan general English 6 mark, general awareness 100 marks, and aptitude test 50 marks. The arithmetic class 10 level 50 marks. Se baro kan long aspa live 4 mark baro. Terhadap nang tab dek info syaka personal interview. The number of candidates who will be called for a personal interview will be as per decision made by the Commission on 13 April 2023 in the ratio of 1:3 on the basis of number of posts already advertised. Kamod ba kan shibenta nakalai benta ka number of posts. Okay, tengah try tangine gijing petip nadon kam than man menti bingi tega don light ligi post jonga tourism officer under tourism department tegi bakwa ban apply gila bande giba ada graduate in any stream film day BA BSc any film apply tang ba kham prefer pada ya ki bala dep ya ka diploma po tourism na ki bala graduate ya ka pule ya ka tourism hi la ki don experience tang ini jemput ngathai pila shahi kubleshun.